All right, ladies and gentlemen. So here we are. Today's topic is wait, let me first share my screen. Okay. So my screen is visible. Give me a thumbs up or just say yes in the chat box. Yes. All right. So our today's topic for the webinar is how to get your paid client. How to get your first paid client. Like making money is not. People used to think making money is not such an easy task in today's day. Yeah, in today's day. So but I don't believe so ki making money is not an easy task, because since the lockdown, freelancers like me, freelancers like others are making tons of money. Like there is no opportunity for that. So like, anyone know the concept for freelancing? Just interact in the chat. Anyone here knows what is freelancing? How does freelancer work? So Raj is saying yes. Any other? Like, anyone knows what does freelancing means? Come on, guys, let's be interactive in the chat box so that I can understand what like I'm trying to explain. Okay. So Vivek, who is, let me see who is there. Okay, Sanjay is there, Vivek is there, Arpit, Suresh, Raksha, Ramdas, Berili. Okay. Uh, okay, so welcome. Okay, so is so let me begin again. Okay, so our today's topic is how to get our paid client. And for me, I personally believe that making money is not an is not very difficult task to do in today's time, because there are a lot of opportunity in today's world. Like tons of business went online in these days. So yes. Okay, so let's begin with the slide. Okay, so this is our freelancing outline for today's session. Oh yes, we are having. Okay, so we are having freelancing outline today. So what we will learn in today's session is what is freelancing, services you can offer, selecting niche, computer research, launch your website, set up a business model, have a social media presence, or getting your first paid client. Right? Seems easy? Give me a yes in chat if it seems easy, or no. Like, what do you think? Yes, Raj is excited. Huh? Okay. So basically, what is freelancing? Like, who know what is freelancing? What does freelancing means? Anyone? What is freelancing? Just contribute to the chat. Yes, sort of. So Raksha, what according to you is freelancing? Like, just give me a short answer. Like, what is freelancing for you? So that others can, get your perspective about freelancing.
Yeah, freelancing means like, can I speak in Hindi? Will it be okay?
Yeah, you're audible. Yes, tell me.
Okay, so freelancer might be like working for an person or working for an company on an individual basis. Like
Okay.
only I will do whatever they want.
Okay. I will do
I will be
whatever they want.
completing client.
this kind be this
I
kind
will be
be
completing
this kind be quite
clients
of a
request.
offensive thing, but you have to do that what the client says. Yeah, exactly.
Yes,
So working
yes.
for someone is like, what people think is like freelancing is like not working under someone. So basically, freelancing is not like that. Freelancing is working for something, not for someone. Here, someone refers to a client or an entity, but something is like our passion. Something can be our passion. Something can be our desire. Like, I love photo editing things, so I do like photo editing in in my pastime. I also do video editing. So yes, what are the main benefits of freelancers is like you will be the individual creator, contractor. So yes, there is no like there will be no bond. You can directly you can directly build contract with with the clients. Yes, of course. And like, for example, if a person is working in a Wipro firm, so that client will not be able to directly interact with the client which is sitting in USA. So this is the major drawback while working under someone or while working under some firm. Okay. And one of the major benefit for freelancing is like we can charge them for pay per hour. So yes, I usually charge $10 per hour to my client to do any sort of work that they tell me. So this is about freelancing. Okay, so here we are. Let me give you a small, gist of what we will be talking about in this session. So basically, we will be talking about digital marketing and how you can earn from digital marketing. So seems like a like heavy task, but it is not. Make sure, like I will definitely make sure ki, yeah, this task is made easy for you. So in social media, what you can do is like in digital marketing, what you can do is you can do social media marketing, copywriting, funnel building, graphic designing, video marketing, SEO, FB advertisements, mobile marketing, PPC, and email campaigns. So anyone heard about any of these topics before? Just give me a hi in chat. Anyone know any of these topics or niches in personal, like anyone is pursuing these niches? Any digital marketing in the house? Or any freelancer in the house? Okay, Raj. Raj, come on, you're my partner, so you must have to do all these things. So, yes. So basically, what we will be focusing in today's session is social media marketing and why social media marketing is important. Okay, so these are the services you can offer as a freelancer, and that these skills can give you, plenty amount of money while sitting at home. Like I am like like taking this session on my like half pant, and like there is nothing to hide in that. So yes, you can definitely take advantage of being a freelancer while and also you can pursue freelancing as while doing your job also. So as our next slide says, if no skills, now you might be thinking like, what will I do like if I'm not having any skills? So anyone here think like thinks in the same way, think similar, like if he or she is not having same skill, like any skills? Okay, so I think I'm speaking very fast. Okay, so anyone here like can you just give me one idea about what are your skills? Anyone, just give a text in a chat. Okay, okay, so I think okay, so if anyone is having no skills, like literally no skills, like they just subah utte and then definitely they eat and all that stuff and then they sleep. Is this your exact schedule? So if this is yes, okay, so Raj Kumar is a digital marketer. Yeah, we belong to the same field then. Raj, perfect. And Raksha is okay doing web development. Yeah, web development is a good skill. Okay, perfect. And what about others? Like Ramdas is also a digital marketer. Yeah, like perfect. What about others like Raj, Shlok, Vivek, Arpit? What are your skills, man? Rahul, Sanjay? What about your skills, man? PPC, bro, perfect. Okay, so like for example, if you are having literally no skills, like अगर आप सुबह उठते हो and then खाना खा के सो जाते हो, if this is your skills, and if you want to earn in this cruel world of this COVID-19, and if you are not earning right now, so social media branding and social media will be your stuff. So like you can literally start with zero knowledge. There is no requirement of any sort of knowledge in this social media branding stuff. So like rest of the skills like this copywriting needs a skill, funnel building needs a skill, graphic designing needs a skill. Okay, Sanjay, I have to mute Sanjay. Okay, perfect. Graphic designing is a skill, video marketing is a skill. You need to learn different video editing softwares, right? SEO, like SEO, you have to rank in Google, so you definitely need some skills. Mobile marketing, PPC, email marketing, all these needs a skill. Okay, so who from the from all the 10 participants who received my email about the webinar session and joined from that, just give me a hi or me in chat. Me. Okay, Raj. And what about others? Like who? Vivek, just you are raising hand. Just give a hi in chat or me in chat. All right. All right. So yes. So this is called email marketing. Like right now, if anyone wants to join my webinar, they will, like, if they have filled the form which I put in the website, they can easily join the, my webinar. And this is about email marketing. It is like, you don't have to be actually present by sending emails. You are not manually sending those emails. It is always set on automations, and the rest of the email will take care of your all the business. So yes, this is what smart marketers do. So yes. So yes, if you are having no skills, then you can definitely start with social media branding or social media marketing. Social media marketing is the current basic need for all the market and all the business. Yes. So how can you start with social media branding? Yes. So how many of you know Canva? Canva.com. Let me give you the chat link in the chat. Canva.com. How many of you used Canva in Ankita Khandelwal? Okay. Canva.com. Okay, Raj Kumar is okay. If you are not having any skills in personal, then Canva will be the best start for you to, do social media branding. Like, learning Canva is like next to, eating just just water, drinking water. Yes, drinking water. Like, you can, what you can do with Canva is you can like start to doing social, like creating social media posts, and then you can directly approach to the local business owners near to your, near to your house, and then you can directly say them, hey, okay, hello, like for example, hey Pankaj भैया, मैं social media marketing सीख चुका हूँ, तो I want कि मैं आपका business online लेकर आऊँ. And Pankaj भैया will be like, okay यार, पहले से ही तो I am very frustrated about this COVID, and let's try some online approach. But people like always the approach मतलब पंकज भी हमेशा ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे, but still there will be some Pankaj bhaiya in your near your home, so you can definitely start with social media branding from your home only. So yes, like for example, my first client was from my like neighbor only. I approached him like, okay, मैं ये करता हूँ, मैं social media branding and ये सब चीजें करता हूँ. So what will you do अगर मैं आपका business grow करके दूँ? So he will be like, okay, like I will not pay you anything, but I was like, okay, I don't need any payment. I will need my money only after once I, complete your task. So yes, this was my starting in the freelancing career. I too started with my, social media pages. Like, I have created tons of social media pages. Out of those, one of my social media handles is Media Marketing Tycoon. So few of you might know me as Media Marketing Tycoon guy, or few of me know as I nothing. So yes, these are my social media handles where I used to be active, but I'm trying again to be active. Okay. So step number 2, selecting your niche. So what kind of understanding do you have about selecting your niche? What is niche? How many of you know what is niche? Can anyone like tell me what is niche? Just give me a hi in chat. Interest, okay. Hobby, yeah, perfect. Ankita got my point here. So an area of expertise, perfect, Jen. Career, yeah, Ankita is on fire, yeah, perfect. So yes, anything you do, like anything you are currently pursuing is called is your niche. Like for example, if I am doing all this social media, email marketing, and PPC, and Facebook ads, and all this. These all underlie all these things lies under digital marketing niche. So yes, for me, digital marketing is a niche. अगर मैं simple sorted भाषा में बताऊँ, तो anyone who is a gamer, for him, game is a niche. Okay, like you understood the concept of niche. Niche is equals to the thing which you are doing.
You are not audible, Nitin.
Wait. I'm just typing in the chat. I was just typing in the chat box. So yes.
All right.
Okay, perfect. So niche is the thing which you are doing. Okay, or which you love to do. Now selecting niche, like there are many people. Like I have met many people in my life who are like कि they are doing something. वो कुछ actually pursue कर रहे हैं, and they are like not happy in their life. So in that case, their niche is not like the thing which they are doing. Like a niche should be something which you really enjoy to do. Okay, for me, digital marketing is my niche. Like I really love to create things digitally. So I believe that digital marketing is my true niche. Anyone got their niche? Like anyone can tell me about their niche in the chat box? Just type in your niche, like what is your niche, Ankita? I think your niche is travel and yeah, teaching and travel. Yes, perfect. Raksha, what is your niche? What about others? Vivek? Web development, perfect. Funnel marketing, yeah. Jayant is an expert then. Nikita, what about you? Biking, we have a rider in the house, man. Want to learn about email marketing? Okay, perfect, perfect. What about Ramdas? Ramdas, Rahul, Arpit, what are your niche like? Okay, so perfect. So these are people are not responding. Let them. Okay. So there are three ways to find your niche. For the people who are not replying in the chat box, these steps are for you. Like how can you find niche? मतलब आप अपना niche कैसे find out कर सकते हो जिसमें आपको work करना है या जिसमें आप work करना चाहते हो. Okay, so first is your passion. Like what are you passionate about? Like I am passionate about creating things. What about you people? What about you are passionate about? Like healthcare, social work. Okay, and Raksha, great, Raksha, you are like passionate about social work. This is quite different. And what about others? Like, what are they passionate about? Like, come on, if you cannot, type in chat, then I don't think so. You will ever discover your niche. Like, at least be interactive. So yes. So one of the best way to find your niche is passion. Like follow your passion. For example, in my second year of college, like I'm having few of people from my college as well. Yes. So from so like in second year, I have discovered that okay, creating business, creating things, all that things were like I was very passionate about doing all these things. So like after third year, I started like involving myself into all these things. So yes, this was about my passion and my niche. Okay, and the second thing to go with your niche is to experience. Like for example, your current experience. Like for example, if someone is love to do gymming, so for him, gymming can be the niche. Anywhere here doing like anything similar to gymming or something like that? So basically niche find out करने का एक ही मकसद है हमारा, so that we can monetize it. For example, if Raksha is a web developer or Raksha love web development along with social work, so how can she turn these skills into in monetary terms? Like how can Raksha make money from it? So this is the basically should be the approach. And for the people who don't know their niche, for the people who are yet to find their niche, they can simply Google different things. Like, for example, okay, perfect. Yes. For example, if Arpit is not having his niche, so what Arpit will do? Like Arpit might be searching few things of his interest, like subconsciously. ऐसा होता है हमारे साथ कि हम उस चीज को परस्यू करते रहते हैं बट सडनली वी नीड समवन हु कैन लाइक टेल अस कि ओके this is the best way to find your niche. So yes, so these three things will help you to earn in the long term. For example, if you're following your passion, then definitely you are like not going to be behind of the time. Perfect. So number three, we have for the people who are joining right now. Okay, I have something to tell. Okay, so we started with the services you can offer. Like if you're having no skills, then you can start with social media branding, and social media branding in the support of canva.com. Also selecting your niche will be your second main cheese. Like for example, social media branding to karna hai, but kis niche mein karna hai? For example, if you love gymming, so I will go for gymming niche and I will do social media branding for that. And these are the three ways to find out your niche. And number three, competitor research. Now you are jumping into the market. Like, okay, you want to do social media marketing, but you don't know the taste of the market. You don't know the current taste of the market, like what people are serving. So the best way to do is like what I usually do is like, for example, if my competitor is sending me email. For example, in digital world, everyone is your competitor. Everyone is like you have to compete with each and everyone. For example, Raj. For example, Raj is sending me some email on a daily basis. Ki buy my course, buy my service, buy my this, buy my that. So in that case, if in case I am opening Raj email, so what I do, I personally, this is my personal strategy. So what I do is, if I found this interesting, then I will copy that email and I will start shooting this email to my clients, to my prospects, not clients, to my prospects. Prospects are the one to whom you are looking to work with. Okay, if you are clear, just type clear in the chat box so that I can move ahead. Just type in clear in the chat box, guys. Okay, perfect, 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 perfect. So yes, so what I personally do is, I कि मैं सबको copy कर लेता हूँ. I am a good copycat. Like for example, if you are seeing this slide, ये slide भी मैंने किसी ना किसी का copy किया था. And if you are like if you are gone through my funnel, that जहाँ पे आपने form वगैरह भरा था, नाम and form, that too was copied because I am a good copier. I personally believe, I am open to reveal that because I am excellent in my work. I don't believe in, you know, like people tell ki I like always create from scratch. There is nothing called as from scratch. Okay. So the pro tip from my side is, kill your competition. Just don't you don't need to outrank them. Like तुम अपने competition को ही मार दो. You don't need to compete with them. So this is my, you know, favorite thing to do. So okay, so what are the three ways to you know your like do competitor research and operations? So first, find out who your competitors are. For example, I am tapping into the market of restaurant and like I am gymming. अगर मैं जिम और रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस में जाना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है, तो आई विल सर्च की हु आर माय कॉम्पिटिटर्स आर. For example, Jayant is my competitor, Ankita is my competitor, Raksha is my competitor. So in this way, I will search for competitors. And what is a simple way to research about your competitor is Google about them. Google about their name. If you will search Hi Nitin on Google, you might find out my Twitter handles. And from that Twitter handles, you can, you know, just trace my footprints, like what I'm doing in my business. So basically, I don't I'm not much social. I just keep my things secrets, but ठीक है, मैं बता दिया. Number two, what price they are offering. So find out your competitors, like who are offering the best price. Like before jumping into freelancing journey, what I did is I just texted, you know, 10 to 15 people who are doing digital marketing. They quoted me something, and I quoted the exact same thing to the client, because there are already team, you know, there is already a team of expert working for us. So yes, there is no need to, you know, do you know, extra like there is no need to run extra mile. Like people are doing work, so you just have to copy them. Just make sure you change the, you know, like if you are even copying my email or even copying anything that I'm giving you, just make sure you change the header and put your name, so that people will recognize it as yours. Okay. And what price they are offering, and the number three thing, the third thing is contribute to some work daily. So yes, you have to contribute something daily. Like for example, if you're planning social media branding, so just make one post daily. You know, we share meme, like हम meme कितना बनाते हैं यार. Meme मतलब अरे भाई पागल भाई crazy कर देते हैं meme के लिए यार. मेरे को ही कितने लोग send करते हैं. Okay, so make sure कि rather than sending memes, you just create something, like if you want to, you know, create a sustainable business in the long term. Perfect. Now, step number 4 is launching your website. Now people might be thinking कि अरे यार website बोल दिया भाई, ये क्या कर दिया. Like I have seen a lot of website like people who are like, you know, into this website making business, but they don't even do anything. All they do is outsource. For example, what outsourcing means is, अगर अभी मैं आपको ये presentation दे रहा हूँ, अगर मैं आपको मेरी website दिखाता हूँ, मैं आपको मेरे client दिखाता हूँ, you are impressed from me. Okay. Now in future, you might be, you know, targeting some tapping into the same niche. मतलब आप इस same niche में आना चाहते हो, ठीक है? Then you might be not having the kind of experience that I'm having currently, right? So what you can do is, you can simply come to me and say, hey Nitin, I have this client, I have to outsource this work to you. And I want my respective commission. मैं अपना मतलब अपना कुछ percentage लेके I will do outsourcing. So yes, this is we do this in a, you know, like in digital marketing, we do this a lot of time. For example, मेरा एक current client चल रहा है अभी. He is for like video editing, and for the logo stuff, like I know how to create logo, but I don't want to put my time over there. So for example, for the logo stuff, I just outsource that work. मतलब मैंने क्लाइंट को 4000 के लिए कोट किया, लोगों के लिए 2000 मैंने रखे, 2000 सामने निकल लिए. So you have to build that reputation first, then only you can do outsourcing and all that stuff. So yes, so launching your website. Yes. So launching your website takes only, buying a domain and buying and hosting. Now, what is domain? For example, let me give you an example in chat box. So, for example, global digitify.com will be the domain name. Anything that comes with .com or .in or .co or anything is called as domain name. Okay. So you have to just buy a domain and you have to connect with a hosting. For example, आपका नाम तो है, आप entity हो एक, ठीक है, आप रहते कहाँ हो, तो आप जहाँ रहते हो आपका घर है, तो घर is your hosting. Are you clear with that? Got my point, or I have to explain more? Just give me a yes or no in chat. Absolutely. Okay. Clear. Perfect. 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 So yes, so you have to buy domain and hosting. Okay. So now how to create website? Like this is, like if you're getting a domain name, if you're getting a hosting, like it will barely cost you, 1,000 rupees. बस 1,000 में आपका कोई भी कोई website बन जाता है. And what people charge is like 5,000, 10,000, and also it depends on the quality work. Like I usually quote for 20,000 rupees for a single website, and that too I like, it is like I copy things, but उसमें भी मेरा creativity रहता है. So I charge for my 20,000 for my creativity. If I am building from scratch, then I will definitely charge 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees. So yeah, this in this way we code. So like from the starting, like for example, if you are thinking कि यार 20,000 रुपए कौन देता है इसका, मतलब website बनाने के, मैं तो कभी ना दूं. So you are thinking from your perspective. You have to think from client perspective. Like currently I'm working with a client who is handling, the campaign for Google Pay, and Google Lens. These are the only two products in India that Google are outsourcing to them. So yes, we are working with that client, and that client is like happy to pay us. Like you just tell him कि अरे सर ये work है, and that too should be genuine. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं यार मुंह उठा के चले गया उसके बाद सर मेरे को पैसा है तो and he will pay me. It should be a genuine reason, and accordingly we quote. So yes. So what do you think? Like how many people think कि okay, freelancing can be a easy thing? Like yeah, I can jump into freelancing. And yes, there is no like point in quoting client hire. So what do you think? Like yes or no? Just give a yes or no in chat, guys. Okay, perfect. So how to create a website? Website कैसे बनाई जाती है? Word वेबसाइट बनाने के लिए आप दो चीज यूज कर सकते हो, काफी चीजें यूज कर सकते हो बेसिकली. तो जो दो फेमस चीजें, आई विल टेल यू दैट थिंग. There will be a thing called WordPress. Like if you are people new to that, then you might be you might get confused. So I will write here WordPress. So basically, WordPress is a kind of software SaaS based product which allows you to create website. I am pretty sure that more like many people might be knowing about all these things. So WordPress, yes. Next, okay, so I have this 100 में से एक वाला केस मेरे पास आ गया है जो पेंसिल से खेल रहा है. Okay, let me disable notation. Okay, so bro, you can't do anything right now, so whoever was doing this thing, so perfect. Yes. Okay. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so WordPress site. So हम WordPress based site बना सकते हैं. Okay, it's okay Ankita, no worries. Web development, so we can do web development like Raksha, and like I saw 2 or 3 more people who are doing web development. So you can all you people can do is like you can create a website from scratch. Blogger.com. So like I personally started my website from like Blogger only. So my first website, मेरा जो पहला website था मैंने वो अपने मतलब university के लिए बनाया था. It was not like कि that was a paid project. It was like my passion to do things. So like people might be knowing कि I have created a website जहाँ पे मैंने पूरे question papers embed किए थे. And that too after once I have completed my graduation. So that was like no use, no nothing, but I have created for my passion. So yes, you can do that, and all other free sources you can just Google it. Like how can I create my website for free? Absolutely free. So no hidden costs are involved here. So perfect. So the next thing is like अब आप social media के लिए Canva तो सीख गए, आपने niche भी select कर लिया कि ठीक है I have like become an expert in Canva, and now I'm having a niche of gymming. आपने फिर उसके बाद में निश भी चूज कर लिया, फिर उसके बाद में आपने कंप्यूटर भी रिसर्च कर लिया, कोड वगैरह भी करना सीख गए आप। नेक्स्ट थिंग, यू लॉन्च योर वेबसाइट, आपने वेबसाइट भी लॉन्च किया। तो व्हाट शुड बी द बिजनेस मॉडल, लाइक स्ट्रेट अवे टॉकिंग अबाउट मॉनेटरी टर्म्स, कि कैसे हम मतलब हम हमारे बिजनेस मॉडल को एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं। सो बेसिकली व्हाट आई टोल्ड की वी चार्ज फॉर पे पर आवर थिंग, कि आई यूजुअली चार्ज $10 per like hour. Like I personally believe that I have a lot more to learn, so this is my minimum charge. Depending upon it, always depend on the project that we are doing. So you can charge month हर घंटे का आप इतना पैसा ले सकते हो. It is like not like a labor job, it is like a freelancing job. For example 700 800 दो क्यों हेडफोन पहने हो? अरे one is for call, yeah, sorry. It's okay, so it happens. सो वन इज पे पर आवर, कि आप प्रति घंटे के तौर से आपको चार्ज मिलेगा. देन मंथली रिटेनर, फॉर एग्जांपल आप क्लाइंट को बोल दोगे जाकर कि ओके आई विल डू योर सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग फॉर 5,000 per month or 10,000 per month. So you can pay me some advance of 1,000 rupees, and then rest of the thing I will take it as in the end of the month. Okay. Then there are one-time projects that we do, one-time project, and usually we charge very much high for this one-time project. And there is affiliate model, like you are you are getting commission for some sort of work that you are doing. So yes, for example, अगर कोई affiliate के लिए मैं अगर सीधी चीज समझाऊं तो you can get the example of real estate part. अगर आप real estate में आते हो तो डेफिनेटली यू नो द एफिलिएट मॉडल, कि आप कैसे हर कमीशन बेसिस पे आपको मतलब ये पे होता है. ठीक है. एंड देन देयर इज सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज आवर गोल. अगर आप सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग या फिर ऐसा कुछ करना चाहते हो तो व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट कि you just take the client to the monthly retainer part. Monthly retainer यानी आप हर महीने उनसे कुछ ना कुछ पैसे लेते रहोगे, so that the it assures the, ठीक है, client safety रहेगा, client आपके पास ही रहेगा हमेशा, वो आपको छोड़ के कहीं नहीं जाएगा. ठीक है. So these are all the things that you have to set before you are jumping into freelancing model. Always this is the the most important thing. Like for example, if I am quoting a client and client is searching Nitin Joshi and he is not he is not having any getting any results on Google, कि यार ये तो कोई कौन बंदा, ये लेजिट है भी या नहीं है. क्योंकि बिकॉज अगर मैं आपको कुछ कोट करूंगा तो सबसे पहले आप मेरे बारे में सर्च करोगे गूगल पे या सोशल मीडिया पे या इंस्टाग्राम पे या फेसबुक पे. आई डोंट नो वेयर यू विल सर्च, बट यू विल सर्च, आई नो. So yes, so for Google presence you must have a website, you must have a social media present, you must have articles. Like articles might be the things that you are planning to do, the things which are of your interest. And in a in a very advanced case you must have a product. Like even I do have a product. It is ebook that so basically that you will get as a free thing after this webinar from my side as a gift. So yes, like if like अगर किसी को बोर हो रहा है या कुछ हो रहा है and they are thinking कि यार मुझे घर जाना है, तो definitely they can become an become Alia Bhatt and they can leave. Or I will suggest कि don't leave because you are having lot more to learn here. So any Alia Bhatt here, like anyone just give a yes or no in the chat. Any Alia Bhatt in the house? Okay, perfect. I know this is hilarious, but ठीक है. Okay, so this is the main part of our the presentation. Okay, so getting your first client, like how can you get your first client? Like any idea, like कैसे आप first client ले सकते हो आपका? Okay, so basically you are thinking कि अबे साले हम उसी के लिए तो यहाँ आए and तू हमको पूछ रहा है. Okay, so okay, like ठीक है, मजाक jokes apart. Okay, so let me give you an insight कि getting your first client is easy as hell. Just look around yourself, just ask for your reference. For example, अगर आपको मेरा वेबसाइट या फिर मेरा सर्विस या फिर मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा लगता है, तो देयर माइट बी पॉसिबिलिटी कि यू माइट बी टेलिंग योर ब्रदर कि हे मतलब जो भी उनका नाम रहेगा, हे XYZ, I know a person who do digital marketing and I am pretty much interested कि I am pretty much concerned कि यार आप उससे जाके बात करो and he is an excellent digital marketer because उसने हमें कैसे freelancing के बारे में समझाया या फिर उसने कैसे हमें डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के बारे में समझाया. ये सब मतलब अगर मेरे कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर है तो डेफिनेटली यू विल रेफर द अदर पर्सन टू. यस, So basically, this is the thing. Getting your first clients is as easy as hell. Just look around yourself. Just ask for your reference. For example, अगर मैं अंकिता को reference के लिए मांगता हूँ कि अंकिता देखो यार मैं video editing करता हूँ, तो yeah, just please refer me some work. So definitely Ankita will be like, if Ankita is smart enough, then she will definitely refer me a client. So yes. Let's execute. Okay, let's get started. So process one is like create a decent website that you can refer where your site will while pitching the client. Okay. So basically मैं client के पास जाता हूँ, उसको बताता हूँ कि globaldigitify.com ये मेरा एक site है, आप यहाँ पे जाके देख सकते हो. ठीक है. Basically simple step है. चलो मैं ना किसी एक को मैं यहाँ पे prospect ले लेता हूँ मेरा. Let's think. Okay, Nikki. So for example, Nikki is my prospect. कि निकी का बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस है, निकी के पास अरबों खरबों से पैसे हैं, एंड व्हाट आई वांट टू डू इज कि चलो मेरे को पता चल गया कि निकी इज माय प्रोस्पेक्ट. सो व्हाट आई विल डू कि निकी के मैं मतलब कैसे ना कैसे मैं निकी को मतलब फाइंड आउट कर लूंगा, बिकॉज आई एम अ स्मार्ट डिजिटल मार्केटर. दिस इज व्हाट स्मार्ट डिजिटल मार्केटर डू. ठीक है. आई विल फाइंड आउट निकी एंड आई विल लाइक टेक्स्ट हिम. आई विल टेक्स्ट हर कि okay, Nikki is like arbo karbo. Okay, perfect. So I will text her ki Nikki yaar, this is my website reference and I do this thing to get her attention. कि first हमको बस उसका attention लेना है कि मतलब we will see कि कैसे reply करती है हमको, कि ये क्या करती है. ठीक है. Second thing what we can do is like if we are not getting any reply or still we are getting reply, then we can create a video video message. For example, I am picking my phone here, like I am creating a video. Hey Nikki, like I do digital marketing stuff. I am a perfect funnel builder, I believe. These are my site references. So if I believe that your business is needs some iteration, and then you can definitely opt in for my services. So this can be your pitch. I'm not good in instant pitches, but I can create a good pitch. So yeah. So this will be your second approach कि ठीक है हम सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग करते हैं और हम मतलब आपका जो भी है बिजनेस हम आपको उसको सोशल मीडिया पे लेकर आना चाहते हैं. So this is my like this should be your video message. Second thing which you can do is you can create a broadcast like you can use the broadcast technique. What does a broadcast technique means कि आप बहुत सारे लोगों का नंबर व्हाट्सएप पे आपके पर्सनली आप सेव कर लीजिए एंड देन आप उनको एक पर्टिकुलर पिच बनाकर सबको सेंड कर दीजिए. इट इज लाइक वन क्लिक सेंडिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल आप सभी को अभी लास्ट मोमेंट पे मैसेज आया होगा कि ओके वी आर लाइव करके, एंड जैसे ही आपको वी आर लाइव करके मैसेज आया होगा वो सिर्फ आपको अकेले को नहीं भेजा गया है, वो कम से कम कुछ 150 से 200 लोगों को भेजा गया है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ ब्रॉडकास्ट टेक्निक. ओके परफेक्ट. So step number 2, 7.2 is make a list of family members. मतलब आपके जो भी करीब के लोग हैं, जो आपके जो भी जान पहचान के लोग हैं, उनको उनकी आप एक लिस्ट बना लीजिए. लिस्ट बनाने के बाद आप उनको मतलब एक और लिस्ट बनाइए कि what business they do, what current business they are doing. For example, one of my friends Sanjay is doing is having a business for sweets. Like he's having a bakery, not bakery, but he's having a nashta shop and all that stuff. उसका भी बहुत बड़ा काम है. It is not like he's doing some sort of छोटा work, but he's doing a good work. So what I will do is कि I will make a list of such Sanjays in all the Sanjays in my list जो जिनका business है, and then I will start broadcasting them कि okay Sanjay I have started this business. So there might be possibility कि यार संजय बोलेगा कि यार तू तो मेरा बचपन का दोस्त है, let's take my business online. Like even I am planning कि मैंने भी मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर लोगों को देखा है कि वो लोग ऑनलाइन स्ट्रेटेजीज अपना रहे हैं. So then definitely मेरे को भी इसमें जाना है, तो मतलब मैं भी किसी के लिए ढूंढ रहा था. I got you. So is this clear? Like just give a yes in chat or give a Sanjay OP in chat. Okay, perfect. So yes, I can okay, high five. I got a high five Jen. Yes, thank you so much. So perfect. So next thing is अब मैंने संजय को मैसेज तो कर दिया. There might be possibility कि यार मैंने संजय से उधार लेके रखा हो, and संजय will be like साले मतलब या संजय ने मेरे से उधार रखा लेखा हो, मतलब both the cases, and like वो मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा है. ठीक है, मैं किसी को पैसे के लिए अप्रोच कर रहा हूँ, वो मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा है. तो what we do in such cases, we continuously do follow up and all that thing, right? So follow up is a must. For example, मैंने संजय को भेज तो दिया मैसेज, बट संजय को रिप्लाई नहीं आया. तो मैंने संजय को फॉलो अप भेजा कि हे संजय, लाइक आई एम हैविंग अ फ्री सेशन ऑफ वेबिनार लाइक दिस, सो वी कैन डिस्कस योर business strategies, we can discuss to grow how to grow your business. So yes, or there are chances कि like 80% of the chances 80% of the business comes from follow up, क्योंकि फर्स्ट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल कि संजय फर्स्ट टाइम में ही मेरा मैसेज देख के मुझे रिप्लाई कर देगा, ठीक है। अगर मैं अभी फिर से ब्रॉडकास्ट में या फिर पहले मतलब अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में मैसेज करता हूँ कि आई एम लाइव इन वेबिनार, आई एम टेकिंग अ फॉलो अप, लाइक आई एम गिविंग अ फॉलो अप फॉर एग्जांपल, ठीक है। सो देयर माइट बी पॉसिबिलिटी कि अभी 11 से 20 पीपल हो जाए। सो या फॉलो अप इज अ मस्ट, देयर इज नॉट नो सिंगल पॉसिबिलिटी कि फर्स्ट टाइम में आपको कोई रिप्लाई दे देगा। सो यू हैव टू बी बेशरम, यू हैव टू बी rigorous in pitching yourself. So okay, perfect. So the next thing is try to collect details from B2B portals like Just Dial, Sulekha, IndiaMart, and more such platforms. Like there are tons of opportunities available outside. You just have to Google. Also, just make sure you have put in you also consider LinkedIn. LinkedIn is having a great potential today. So yes, from LinkedIn you can also get leads. So Just Dial, Sulekha, IndiaMart. Just you have to go ki IndiaMart pe jana hai, and there might be email number of that company. So take out that email and just shoot again broadcast and all that stuff that should be repeated. Okay. Number fifth, like 7.5 steps says ki go to the Google and type your target keyword with your location. For example, if you are searching for gymming in Nagpur, so it is kind of बहुत बड़ा निश हो गया है कि नागपुर में तो बहुत सारी चीजें आती है, मानेवाड़ा भी आता है, रामनगर भी आता है, मतलब हजारीबाग भी आता है, फ्रेंड्स कॉलोनी भी आता है। देयर आर लाइक n number of city like places in nagars in the city itself. So what you will do, what I will do is कि best gym near my place या फिर near friends colony. So yes, what you can do is this is the way to research about your competitors. This is one of the way to research about your competitors. So yes, type your target keywords with location and do complete research on topic. For example, संजय का था बिजनेस रामनगर में, तो मैं रामनगर के जितने भी बिजनेसेस हैं उनको एक बार एनालाइज करूंगा, उनका एक पीडीएफ या फिर एक एक्सेल शीट बनाऊंगा जिसमें आई विल इंसर्ट ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल बिफोर प्रेजेंटिंग टू संजय इटसेल्फ, कि मैं संजय को बताने से पहले मैं उनकी डिटेल उसको मतलब उनको पूरा एनालाइज करूंगा, ठीक है। Compile the 7.6 step says ki compile all the list in one Excel sheet and segregate them as a one list. Okay, so make them as a one list ki before presenting to the client. So like this is a kind of pro tip that I have to give you कि your first focus should be creating an alliance with other business owner, vendor and suppliers. For example, आपके घर के आसपास के जो local businessman है उनसे आप alliance बना लीजिए, क्योंकि possibility बहुत ज्यादा है कि आपके घर के आसपास वाले आपको business ला कर देंगे rather than any other people. Okay. Your second focus should be create a one page website as most of them lack. Yeah. बहुत सारे पंकज जो भैया, हमने पंकज भैया की जो बात की थी, सो बहुत सारे पंकज भैया, सो बेसिकली पंकज भैया कौन है? पंकज भैया का मेरे घर के पास में किराने का स्टोर है, समझ लीजिए। तो बहुत सारे पंकज भैया को टेक्निकल नॉलेज कुछ नहीं होगा। फॉर एग्जांपल इन लाइक मैं एक रियल एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि what I was doing कि there was a wholesaler which like he was one of my friend, he was one of my good friend, and he was not having any knowledge about selling coolers and all that stuff. So season आया and he is like कि जो footfall हो रहा है उसको ये वो बेच रहा है। But instead what I have created कि I have created an InstaMojo store and I put all the leads and I run ads and like he was like कि अरे भाई तूने क्या कर दिया यार कि मतलब तू ही ज्यादा मतलब बेच पा रहा है मेरे से ज्यादा। तो yeah, this happens. So like उनके पास knowledge नहीं है, even though he's having doing business in lakhs, but still he's not having anything knowledge. So this will be our advantage. This in this way we can take advantage. So yes, create a one page website as most of them lack in technical knowledge. Number 3, again ask for a reference. So again I am asking you, Ankita, if you can refer me a video marketing client, then definitely do that. Okay, I'm just kidding, Ankita. Ankita will be like pissed off. Okay, so yeah. So properties while approaching the client. So priorities while approaching the client. What should be our priorities? Like who are our potential guys? For example, friends and family. Like for example, Nikita. Nikita is a hot lead for me. Like definitely, Nikita is like she know me. उसको पता है कि ये बंदा मेरे साथ फ्रॉड नहीं कर सकता या फिर ये बंदा मेरे साथ गलत बिजनेस तो नहीं करेगा, ठीक है। इवन दो लाइक इसकी कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है कि she will मतलब 100% give me her business, but still there are 90% of chances that she will give me her business. Number 2, a common connection. For example, a connection shared between me and Nikita is Vivek. So for example, Nikita will refer to Vivek ki, okay Vivek, just do one thing, here is the person who do this thing, you can contact him. और नंबर 3 ऑनलाइन लीड वाला जो पार्ट था, जो फॉर एग्जांपल कि आप B2B से किसी से लीड लेकर आए हो, सुलेखा या इंडिया मार्ट से कोई लीड लेकर आए हो बिजनेस की, एंड देन यू आर हंटिंग और लाइक broadcasting your message, your personal message to them. So these should be your approach while these should be your priorities while approaching the clients. So yes, yeah. So what I usually do कि अगर किसी का बिजनेस है तो व्हाट आई डू कि आई जस्ट गो थ्रू ऑल देयर बिजनेस मीडियम्स कि वो कहाँ पे है, वो फेसबुक पे है, इंस्टा पे है, या फिर उसका वेबसाइट है, या कुछ भी है, जो कुछ भी करता है वो आई जस्ट हंट फॉर हिम लाइक हेल. मैं मतलब उसके बारे में इतना रिसर्च करता हूँ कि लाइक वो उससे ज्यादा मेरे को पता चलता है कि वो क्या कर रहा है करके. ठीक है. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ रिसर्च अप्रोच शुड बी लाइक देयर फॉर यू पीपल. देन रिसर्च एंड मेक अ बिजनेस ऑडिट फॉर देम. फॉर एग्जांपल कि अगर कोई बिजनेस ओनर है जिसका फेसबुक पे प्रोफाइल है और उसका वेबसाइट का लिंक नहीं है, so he might be lacking in business. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई पर्सन उसके फेसबुक पेज पे आ रहा है और उसको कुछ परचेज करना है और उससे लिंक ही नहीं मिल रहा है, तो दैट पर्सन विल नेवर की डू कि यार मैं इसका नंबर सेव कर लेता हूँ या फिर इसका मैं पेज सेव कर लेता हूँ एंड देन आई विल कम. दिस नेवर हैपेंस इन डिजिटल वर्ल्ड. यू लाइक again the computer will take the advantage, and yeah, that business will be in loss. So let's do a website audit. Like for example, auditing comes with a website audit, Facebook audit, Instagram audit, and online reputation and all that stuff. So let's do a quick website audit. And don't afraid like कि यार website audit बोल दिया, what is this and all that stuff. I will be sharing this PPT with you along with the bonuses worth 10,000 rupees with you. Okay, so yeah, let's do a quick website audit. Just go and check for SSL certificate. Like for example, the website is having HTTPS or not, and trust me, 10% to 20% people are not having SSL right now, because जिनको पता है वो डाल देते हैं, जिनको नहीं पता and वो नहीं डालते. तो we are having a good opportunity, and people usually charge we usually charge $20 to put an SSL certificate. तो can you imagine कि मतलब अगर आप दिन में डेली ऐसे 5 SSL certificate वाले को ढूंढते हो जिनको सिर्फ SSL certificate जिनका मिसिंग है, and you are continuously emailing them कि telling them कि अच्छा ठीक है तुम्हारा SSL certificate नहीं तो तुम्हारे पास क्या नुकसान है. तो definitely यार you can मतलब definitely get one $20 from one single client, and $20 is like a good amount of money to start with. You can do is you can go for a website audit. For website audit you can do website.grader.com. You can check the page loading speed. Here's the link for checking the page load speed. What happens is कि Google personally don't recommend websites that are loading very much, like they are taking a good time in loading. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं किसी की वेबसाइट पे जंप करता हूँ एंड उसका वेबसाइट अगर बहुत देर से लोड हो रहा है या लोड होने में बहुत मतलब 5-10 सेकंड लग गया, तो व्हाट यूजुअली कस्टमर्स डू कि वो वेट नहीं करते. दे विल बी थिंकिंग लाइक ओके ये तो फ्रॉड है या इसकी तो वेबसाइट में प्रॉब्लम है, मतलब दे आर लाइक कि ओवर थिंक कर लेते हैं एंड दे विल नॉट एंड अप परचेसिंग और डूइंग दैट स्टफ. सो यू कैन एक्सप्लेन देम दीस पॉइंट्स. प्लॉट कंपैरिजन, एज कंपैरिजन स्ट्राइक्स डिफरेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं बता रहा हूँ कि निकिता आपका बिजनेस मतलब बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है बट आपका कंप्यूटर भी ये कर रहा है, सो Nikita will be like, okay, I have to always stay ahead from my computer. So comparison is the best part to get the client. And check whether the business website follows a good website design or not. Yeah, if for example just go to any business like search food or search shoes, and just check whether कि that page अगर उस page में उनका website है या नहीं, and then follow that website and understand the user experience that you are getting कि अच्छा इनका page experience कैसा लग रहा है, मतलब ये यूज करने में अच्छा है क्या, ये बटन पे क्लिक हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, ये सब चीजें आप प्लॉट करके इन सब चीजों को भी ऑडिट कर सकते हो आप, मतलब इन सब चीजों को भी ऑडिट में डाल सकते हो. ठीक है, लेट्स डू अ क्विक फेसबुक ऑडिट. फेसबुक ऑडिट लाइक नो वन एवर थॉट अबाउट फेसबुक एडिट, बट इट इज ये बहुत एसेंशियल है. दिस कैन ड्रॉ बिजनेस. So Facebook audit comes with claim पहले like a username is claimed or not. For example, if I'm doing a business under name Media Marketing Tycoon or Global Digitify, so first I will make sure कि I will सबसे पहले claim that username @globaldigitify. जैसा यूजर नेम फेसबुक पे वैसा यूजर नेम जैसा यूजर नेम इंस्टाग्राम पे वैसा यूजर नेम आजकल फेसबुक पे भी आ गया है. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल डोंट नो दीज थिंग्स. सो यू कैन डू दिस थिंग. कवर इमेज ऑफ द ब्रांड कन्वेज ब्रांड मैसेज या नहीं. अगर फॉर एग्जांपल मैं डिजिटल मार्केटर हूँ और मैं डिजिटल मार्केटर में मैं जिमिंग को फोकस करता हूँ, तो मेक श्योर कि मेरा जो ये है मतलब कवर इमेज या जो भी इमेज है वो मेरा जिमिंग को लेकर कुछ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग से फोकस कर पाए. अगर मैं उसमें भाजी पाला कुछ लगा देता हूँ, सॉरी फॉर दैट वर्ड, बट मैं अगर उसमें कुछ सब्जी वगैरह का कुछ लगा देता हूँ, तो डेफिनेटली इट विल नॉट साउंड करेक्ट फॉर माई बिजनेस. सो यस, TP and cover page are optimized or not, are in right dimension or not. Basically, this is the most thing like that business are lacking. Check about their about section. For example, if you will search Hi Nitin on Google, you can see my description, like what I have written. You will get a proper, a hashtag and brand name, business name, and all that stuff. So yes, check our story section is complete or not. Most of the people don't have our story or highlights in their Facebook page or business page. So this can be the point of consideration. Does the store have opening hour? मतलब कितने देर खुला रहता है, कितना खुला नहीं रहता है. और I have a pro tip here कि don't keep as 24 hours open, because Facebook or Google or whatever the algorithm is, they considered it as a spam. अगर आप 24 hours ऑनलाइन रह रहे हो तो what kind of business you are providing? Like in fact ये तो Facebook भी नहीं कर पाता है, Google भी नहीं कर पाता है हमारे लिए कि वो 24/7 अवेलेबल हो उनके चैट सपोर्ट वाले. So better कि you keep some spaces. Do you have a branded content कि आप ऐसे कुछ तो भी content डाल रहे हो? What is their content strategy? Like for example, if Diwali is coming, Eid is coming, Raksha Bandhan is coming, whatever is coming, they are posting, according to their calendar or not, because it kind of triggers the emotion in the audience. What is how human is their platform? For example, अगर आप मेरे पेज पे आते हो तो आपको कितना ह्यूमन लगता है, कि कितना ये लगता है कि मतलब ये साला ये बंदा मतलब अच्छा कर रहा है, या फिर ये बंदा दिस बंदा इज लाइक कि रियल पर्सन, नॉट लाइक कि हम किसी कंपनी से बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो व्हाट हैव I will reveal something here. What I have done in my current new okay. So what I have done in my क्या कहते हैं तो the new Instagram page with Hi Nitin, ki all of the thing will be posted with the bot only, even the comment, even the post and even everything. But you will never seem ki ये bot पे post कर रहा है, because I have to lift my work up. मुझे मेरा काम heavy नहीं करना है, मुझे बस just. And next thing is how human is your platform. Then use FB watch tools to compare them with your competitors. For example, Icon Square and Sprout.social.com. Yes, आप मतलब definitely आपके कंप्यूटर को आप उसके कंप्यूटर का पेज आप definitely गूगल कर सकते हो, नहीं आइकन स्क्वायर पे सर्च कर सकते हो, एंड यू विल सी कि उनका ब्रांड रीच कैसा है, उनका मतलब हैशटैग का रिसर्च कैसा है, उनका पोस्ट रीच कैसा है, उनका पोस्ट कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, कितने फॉलोअर्स उनको है, कितने नहीं है. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन डू अ ग्रेट फेसबुक ऑडिट. लाइक फेसबुक ऑडिट, पीपल डोंट फोकस ऑन फेसबुक ऑडिट नाउअडेज, बट स्टिल like it is a worth considering point. Next is Instagram audit. Like most of the people are aware of this. Like same goes with Facebook. Like, do they have branded profile picture? Is their website listed in their profile bio or not? Business account to track or not? मतलब बहुत सारे क्रिएटर ऐसे होते हैं जिनके जो पब्लिक अकाउंट तो कर लेते हैं, बट दे आर नॉट इवन टू ट्रैक देयर एनालिटिक्स इन इंस्टाग्राम. मतलब वो अपने टूल्स को एक्सेस ही मतलब उनको एक्सेस करना ही नहीं आता उनके टूल्स पे. सो दिस इज दी वन ऑफ दी लाइक थिंग्स नीडेड नाउअडेज, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग जो अभी है इन्फ्लुएंसर बन चुके हैं. Like they are creating reels and all that stuff, but they don't know how to grow their business. So there is a lot of opportunity for you to be a social media expert or social media marketer. Yes, so you can do hashtag research, which people say कि अभी वो work नहीं करता है, but I believe कि this works because I have posted a reel. It was my first post. I did I done a good research on hashtag, and my reel went got 1,000 views, 1,000 plays. Like it was my first post. मेरा first post ही मेरे को 1,000 plays मेरे को मिल चुके थे उस पे. So people might be thinking कि यार 1000 तो प्ले यार नॉट अ गुड थिंग, बट ठीक है, एज अ इनिशियल पोस्ट इट वाज अ लाइक गुड थिंग फॉर मी. दिस इज व्हाट आई पर्सनली बिलीव. ऑल्सो चेक फॉर कंप्लीट कंप्यूटर एनालिसिस ऑन आरजी. सेम मतलब जैसे आप फेसबुक पे करो वैसे आप इंस्टाग्राम पे भी करो. Then there is online reputation management, same as Instagram or Facebook. There is something called Google My Business. How many of you, like how many business of your known ones are listed on Google My Business? You will see barely, आप barely एक्का दुक्का लोगों के देखोगे जिनके business Google My Business पे listed है properly. Listed तो सभी के रहते हैं but properly with phone number या फिर maps या फिर reviews and all that stuff. So this is I am working on this thing right now कि Google Maps पे मैं reviews लेकर आऊँ, and I am planning to 10 like in within 10 days I want to keep up to 50 reviews. So yeah, this is my plan right now. Okay, so you can check Google Map बराबर है कि नहीं, reviews बराबर है कि नहीं, phone number inserted है कि नहीं, और fully optimized है कि नहीं. For example, if someone is searching gym near a French colony, so they have to find a gym that is actually present there, not कि मतलब कोई भी gym आ गया वहाँ पे, ठीक है. So there my फिर next thing is search client business name on Google and note reviews to insert to the report. Okay, so one of the good way to create a report is just insert the reviews of the competitors. Like for example, जिमिंग, मैं दूसरे किसी जिमिंग वाले का रिव्यूज इंसर्ट करके मैं उसे जला दूंगा, मतलब जो मेरा प्रोस्पेक्ट है उसे, कि भाई मतलब देखो इसको तो ऐसे ऐसे रिव्यूज मिले, व्हाट अबाउट यू, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग इन योर बिजनेस, लाइक दैट. सो देयर माइट बी चांसेस कि वो प्रोस्पेक्ट एक क्लाइंट में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. परफेक्ट. So yes, overall initial observation of social media handles like branding बराबर है या नहीं, popularity by followers, frequency of post content. आपको मतलब एक बार आप सोशल मीडिया पे गए कि आपको समझ ही आ जाएगा, and it is not the case कि हर कोई समझ जाए जो आप समझ रहे हो. Then there is engagement and there is types of posts. So you have to analyze all these things and then create a report based on your observations. Like use different tools to do that, and you will be all set for your first client to get on, for social media marketing. So yeah, feature tips to create reporting again. uh, create a report on canva.com. आप जो presentation देख रहे हैं, you are seeing like the presentation which you are seeing is built on Canva only. मैंने ये जो जितने भी चीजें बताई ये Canva में बनाया. Canva is an extensive gives you an extensive opportunity. So yes. Number 2 feature, use a free report templates. You can Google free report templates to make templates. Number 3, give a professional touch. Like for example, मैंने Canva से तो उठा लिया, but for giving professional touch, it is a human काम. मतलब ये कोई इंसान ही कर सकता है. This is not like robot will do it, and you have to give a professional touch here. So and जब आप किसी क्लाइंट को या फिर अपने लीड्स को अप्रोच कर रहे हो तो मेक श्योर कि ऑलवेज मतलब जैसा फॉर एग्जांपल अंकिता मेरा प्रोस्पेक्ट है या फिर निकिता मेरा प्रोस्पेक्ट है, तो मैं उन्हें पहले उनका टाइम पूछने लगाऊंगा कि आप कब फ्री हो. ठीक है, जब भी वो फ्री है उनके टाइम से हम फिर मीटिंग कंसिडर करेंगे, क्योंकि बहुत सारे केसेस में ऐसा होता है कि क्लाइंट हमें झुलाता है, तो बेटर है कि हम उसी का टाइम पहले ले ले. ठीक है, आइडेंटिफाई हु द ओनर इज बिफोर अप्रोचिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर से अंकिता इज सोशल मीडिया हैंडलर या फिर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल करती है वो, ठीक है, सो आई विल नॉट अप्रोच अंकिता कि यार अंकिता मतलब आई विल नॉट अप्रोच अंकिता कि यार अंकिता तुम्हारा टाइम दे दो. आई विल अप्रोच द ओनर ऑफ दैट पेज. I will approach the particular owner of that page. So possibility ये है कि हम ओनर को impress कर पाए first approach में. ठीक है. नंबर थर्ड चीज है कि फॉर कोल्ड लीड्स ट्राई टू बी देयर कस्टमर्स एंड पॉइंट आउट अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम विद देयर बिजनेस एंड देन लेटर पिच. नेवर क्लोज इन द फर्स्ट मीटिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्रो टिप. लाइक आप ये मत सोचिएगा कि फर्स्ट टाइम में ही आप मतलब बिजनेस लेकर आ जाएंगे घर पे. ये ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. अगर मैं फर्स्ट टाइम में भी आप वेबिनार पे आके आपको कुछ बेचूं तो there is a possibility कि आप कुछ खरीदोगे नहीं मेरे से, क्योंकि it is the first time you are seeing my face. So it never happens like that. Okay, so never close your so never just try to close the pitch in the first time itself. Just to it takes time. मतलब क्लाइंट के साथ एक इंटरेक्शन बनाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा खासा समय लगता है, and then only client get converted. For example, मुझे एक मतलब एक क्लाइंट है मेरा, उसको मेरे को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए अप्रोक्सीमेट 1 महीना लग गया था. मतलब डेली फॉलो अप, डेली एवरीथिंग, एंड देन and finally he's convinced ki okay chal bhai tu बेच रहा है तो ले ले भाई मेरा business and like let's see, and now the client is quite happy from me. So you have to be Bechram, you have to be do things in this way. Okay, so how much client pay to your social media stuff? For example, if you are doing social media handling for a gym, so what should you charge? So personally, if I am doing posting and all that stuff in a good way, I will quote for 30,000 to 50,000 per month. So yes, and similarly you can charge, because it is not like कि भाई सिर्फ post ही तो करना है. If a client is saying कि यार तुम post ही तो करने वाले हो social media पे, तो give him a reason. If you will create an report, create a report based on your observation. You will do overall social media social media observation. Then उसके बाद online reputation, Instagram audit. You will do all these things and you will quote him. Then he will be like, okay, 30 to 50,000 भी कम है. Give him a reason to pay you more. For example, this is quite self-explanatory thing. So yes, so you can charge up to 30 to 50,000 per month for a task like social media handling, and it is not like a big thing to do. Wait, I will just okay. So this was my take, and yeah, this is the end of the presentation. And now I will just stop sharing my screen to